مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. Hello and welcome. I help students like you speak Arabic and not just learn about it. My mission is to help you get speaking Arabic and overcome all the obstacles and difficulties that are between you and fluency. Before we start, why don't you visit the link down below to get your free copy of the Levantine Lebanese Spoken Arabic Conversation and Phrase Book, free of charge. Check the link down below. ويلا, let's begin.
مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. Hello and welcome. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to refer to various places in Levantine Lebanese spoken or colloquial Arabic. For example, what's the difference when we speak about different types of museums, how to say ruins, how to say an expo, a showroom, a castle, a fort, a tower, a harbour, and so on. So different touristic places that you would commonly visit and are useful to know for conversation. يلا نبلش. أول شيء, the word متحف, a museum. متحف. عندي مثال هون. I have an example over here. متحف التاريخ الطبيعي بأبو ظبي. So the Natural History Museum in Abu Dhabi. متحف. متحف اللوفر. متحف. In the plural we say متاحف. متاحف. So the pattern مفعل in Arabic is a common pattern when speaking about names of places. مفعل, مفعل, مفعلة as well. There are several common patterns for places. Now, inside a museum, بقلب المتحف في تحف. We have artifacts. تحف. In the singular, تحفة. For example, تحفة فنية, an artistic artifact. تحفة. Fan is art, so when we say فنية, artistic, so we form the adjective by adding the ya of attribution. And other meanings of تحفة, we can use it to describe something that's a masterpiece, that's rare, that's amazing. So, for example, if you've done a really nice painting, I could say هيدي اللوحة تحفة. This painting is amazing. It's a masterpiece. تحفة. And if somebody is speaking, sometimes we use it as in to mock the other person by saying أتحفتني بكلامك. So we're using the verb form, verb أتحف. That means literally you've mesmerized me with your words. I've had enough. Like, this is too much. It could be used in a positive sense, but more often we use it in the negative, like أتحفتني, like, you know, that's enough. You've topped the charts, that is. Now, the word athar, that's a plural word. Athar, ruins. Just as in English, you say ruins. It's a plural word. Athar Madinat Sur, the ruins of Tyre city. Now, the singular of athar is athar, a trace. Athar. So this is the plural form, athar. Now, we're speaking broken plurals. Mathaf, matahif, tuhfi, tuhaf, athar, athar, they're all broken plurals. Ma'rad is a museum. The plural is ma'arid, ma'arid. And the verb arad is to offer or display something. عرض علي شغل. Literally, he offered me work or a job. عرض علي. Or, for example, when we say someone displayed something. For example, عرض السيارة للبيع. Literally, he put it for sale. And within this context, معرض, مفعل, becomes the name of the place where you display and offer stuff. معرض Dubai. For example, the Expo 2022 of Dubai. معرض فني. So fan, art, fanni, artistic. So we add the ya of attribution. Now the adjective fanni is attributed to the noun fan, art. معرض فني, an artistic gallery. We could also say معرض علمي, a scientific museum, from the noun علم, which means science or knowledge. Or I could use the noun تاريخ, history. I can say معرض تاريخي, a historic museum or gallery. معرض سيارات. So we also use that for car showroom or gallery. معرض سيارات. It's where you put cars on display and you literally bring them out for sale. Now the word قلعة in Arabic means a fort. In Lebanese we pronounce it as ala because we swap the qaf over here for a glottal stop. Now, just like when we say qalb, a heart, we say alb in Lebanese, same thing. قلعة طرابلس, the fort of Tripoli. In the plural, it could be قلاع أو قلعات. قلاع أو قلعات, either or. قلاع أو قلعات. ميناء is a harbour. ميناء. ميناء جبال. جبال harbour. In the plural, موانئ. موانئ in standard. موانئ. مبنى is a building. مبنى تاريخي, a historic building. You might know the word بناية is a building as well. مبنى is something that has been built. So مبنى تاريخي, a historic building. In the plural, مباني. For example, هيدا مبنى تاريخي. This is a historic building, type of a historic building. قصر or قصر in Lebanese, as we pronounce it, swapping the qaf for a glottal stop, is a palace. قصر Westminster or قصر Westminster. In the plural, قصور. Or as we say in colloquial, صور. صور with the glottal stop. It's hard to hear the glottal stop, but it's actually we are swapping the qaf for the glottal stop. صور. Burj is a tower and the plural is أبراج أو بروج. So Burj, Abraj, or Buruj. Burj Khalifa, for example, the Tower of Khalifa. Eiffel Tower, Burj Eiffel as well. Now it's your turn. Could you guess which one is which? Pause the screen, take a minute, and try to guess which one is what. So Athar, I'm going to tell the answers now. Ruins, Mathaf, a museum, and Tuhaf is the artifacts that are displayed in the museum. بالمتحف أو بالمعرض. معرض is something like as well an expo, a showroom, or a museum as well. قلعة أو قلعة is a fort. ميناء is a harbour. مبنى is a building. قصر أو قصر is a palace. برج is a tower. So just be mindful with the differences between mathaf and ma'rad. Commonly, mathaf is where we display ancient items or things like tuhaf, and ma'rad is where you display everything else. So generally speaking. هذا كان كل شيء وشكرا لانتباهكم.
Wanna learn Lebanese colloquial Arabic from zero and from lesson 1? No previous knowledge whatsoever of Arabic is needed. These courses are handcrafted to get you speaking Lebanese from day one, from beginner to intermediate level, with complete peace of mind, quality resources, and mobile access. You can purchase a course individually, or you can purchase all courses for a one-off discounted fee. This way you can cruise with ease from beginner to upper intermediate level with no hefty fees, and that's really a bargain. Lifetime access, that means no monthly bills and no subscriptions, so you can have peace of mind and take your own time and just focus on your learning. Exclusive video tutorials, you don't have to scrounge the internet for resources and lessons. It's all waiting for you and accessible at the click of a button.
a multitude of eBooks to download, your own mini library for learning Lebanese. You are covered 100% in terms of written resources and notes. Everything is in English translation and transliteration, as well as Arabic text. More peace of mind if you don't know how to read and write Arabic. You will have the text, translation, transliteration, and the video. There's no silly TikToking and no pointless vlogging, just professional lessons and support all the way. Your time is precious and just what you need to speak Lebanese, and no silly marketing hacks and no spam email. Flexible learning, learn anytime via PC, laptop, tablet, mobile, you choose. Learn on your own terms, on the bus or the train or in the coziness of your own home. Get exclusive free bonus content and giveaways from the best-selling paid resources on the blog. You will certainly enjoy all the freebies. If you're thinking, yes, I want in, visit www.learningarabicwithangela.com/spoken-arabic. What do members who have bought the course say? Mitchell from the USA says, if you desire to be inspired to learn Levantine Arabic, please sign up for the program. If you examine the amount of material and support provided in relationship to the very reasonable cost, you will see what a grand bargain it is. It's very inspirational and friendly too. Rosie from Mexico says, I've utilized many methods of learning Lebanese Arabic, and Angela's courses are by far the best.